India records 879 deaths in 24 hours. New COVID cases in Bengal increased fourfold in 2 weeks. West Bengal is recording a massive surge in COVID cases amid an 8-phase assembly elections. The state has recorded nearly fourfold increases in cases from 1 April 1274 cases to 13 April 4581 one cases. Although the number of active COVID-19 cases in West Bengal is lower compared to the last week, the fresh wave is steeper than the state's last week. Active cases. Active cases in India increased to 12,64,698 Tuesday, the highest since the beginning of the pandemic. Over 5% of the total active cases in the world are currently in India. Daily cases. Over the last 24 hours, 1,61,736 people tested positive for COVID-19 across the country. There was a slight dip in the number of new cases compared to the Monday. Test positivity rate. The test positivity for India over the last 24 hours increased to 11.5%. Positivity over 10% indicates that testing is not sufficient. Meanwhile, the overall positivity calculated over the course of the pandemic has also increased to 5.2%. Number of deaths. As many as 879 people in the country died of COVID-19 over the last 24 hours. These bring the country's total COVID-19 toll to 1,71,058, which is nearly 6% of the total number of deaths reported worldwide. Mortality rate. Punjab's case fatality rate reduced further to 2.73, which is still the highest in the country. Maharashtra's CFR reduced to 1.68, while that the Sikkim is 2.12. The overall CFR for India is now 1.25%. The rapid drop in fatality rate can be attributed to the rise in active cases numbers. Daily vaccinations. In the last 24 hours, 40,04,521 vaccine doses were delivered across the country. So far, 10 crore 85 lakh 33,055 vaccines doses have been administered in India. As many as 1 crore 34 lakh 90,046 people have received both doses of the vaccines in India so far. Daily tests. In the last 24 hours, 14 lakh 122 COVID-19 tests were carried out across 1,230 government laboratories and 1,223 private laboratories. Over 25.9 crore tests have been carried out in the country since the beginning of the pandemic. Recovered cases. As many as 97,168 patients has been discharged from COVID-19 hospitals across India in the last 24 hours. These bring the total number of recoveries since the beginning of the pandemic 1 crore 22 lakh 53,697. Total cases. As many as 1 crore 36 lakh 89,453 people in India has been infected with COVID-19 since the beginning of the pandemic. The largest number of cases so far has been reported from Maharashtra, followed by Kerala and Karnataka, state with highest active cases. Active cases in Maharashtra reduced slightly to 5,66,278 Monday, with 51,751 new cases reported from the state since yesterday. A total of 34,58,996 people from Maharashtra has been infected with COVID-19 since the beginning of the pandemic. Of this, 58,245 people have died, with 258 deaths reported in the last 24 hours. Chhattisgarh reported 13,576 new cases of COVID-19 in last 24 hours, the highest in the state since the beginning of the pandemic. This takes the number of active cases in the state 98,500 98,856. A total of 4,56,873 cases were detected from the state since the beginning of the pandemic. As many as 132 COVID-19 patients have died in the state in the last 24 hours, which takes the COVID-19 deaths toll of 5,031. Uttar Pradesh reported 13,604 new cases of COVID-19 in last 24 hours. This takes the total number of active cases in the state up to 81,576. A total of 1,05,619 people in the state have reported to be COVID-19 positive since the beginning of the pandemic. The state's COVID-19 death toll increased to 9,224 with 72 deaths reported in last 24 hours. Active cases in Karnataka increased to 76,004 with 9,579 new cases reported in last 24 hours. A total of 10,74,869 COVID-19 cases have been reported from the state since the beginning of the pandemic, with 52 deaths reported in the last 24 hours. The death toll increased to 12,941. In Kerala, active COVID-19 cases increased to 47,914 with 5,692 new cases reported in last 24 hours. This takes the total number of cases detected from the state to 11,72,882 since the beginning of the pandemic, with 11 deaths reported in the last 24 hours. The state COVID-19 death toll increased to 4,794.